लंगल कथा बुझुछि खेत खेत कथा बुझे चषा ओडिया मन ओडिया प्राण बुझे पखाल कंसा। Hello viewers, this is your host Shriyanka and you are watching Odisha Post Live. I started the episode with an Odia phrase about Pokhalo because today I am at Odisha Hotel to enjoy the soul food of Odisha, the very refreshing Pokhalo. So without delay, let's get started with our brand new episode on Pokhalo. And today we have with us the most popular food blogger Rohit Srivastava. So how are you doing, Rohit?
I'm doing great and thank you for inviting me to the show. We are at our favorite place. This happens to be my favorite place.
Now we are at Odisha Hotel, the famous Odisha Hotel which serves Khanti Odia food. And we are going to have our Pokhalo Konsa. What do you want to say about Pokhalo?
There's an interesting thing about Odisha. We celebrate our favorite food.
Exactly.
When it comes to Pokhalo, when it comes to Rasgulla, when it comes to Dahi Vada Aloo Dum, we are such food lovers that we actually celebrate these dishes. We have a dedicated day to this dish, and which is a fabulous thing about Odisha.
Yeah,
and
we celebrate it worldwide.
Yes, and none of these are state level. Huh? These are all global, universal, global Pokhalo Divas, so which is a great thing. And Odisha Hotel, among Odia restaurants in Odisha, it happens to be one of my favorite. So whenever I feel like having that soul food, mutton and rice only on a Wednesday or on a Friday or on a Sunday, I just come down to this place and I enjoy the food. So I am more of a Soja Pokhalo fan because that's easy to make, and I mean, like whenever you feel like you come back from work, you don't have to soak it overnight. The fan following for Basi Pokhalo is different, and it is ultimate thing, but I am personally a big fan of Soja Pokhalo because that's like you come back from work and you feel like having Pokhalo, you just make it fatapat and then it's all set, it's all ready. So I usually prefer that, but if I'm going to a restaurant or something, so yes, probably we have the liberty to order Basi Pokhalo.
Rohit, can you please express your feeling for Pokhalo in a single phrase? Best part about Odisha Hotel?
This particular outlet in BJP Nagar, they have done a lot of artwork, Patachitra. When you enter the property, there's a mural over there replicating the Bali Jatra, and that is all done by artisans who they have done it hand painted, and so that's a good thing that they have done. Being vocal for local in a real way.
Yeah, even in our background we have the Rath Yatra.
Yes, this is also hand painted. So that's a great thing.
It's amazing. It's huge. So Mr. Raghu, please.
छतु पोड़ा अच्छी कखर फुल भजा अच्छी टमाटर चटनी माछ पोड़ा अच्छी आलू भर्ता अच्छी शाग भजा अच्छी बड़ी चूड़ा अच्छी
Body chura is a speciality with Pokhalo.
मटन कषा भी आप पखाड़ सहित नहीं
Okay. So mutton kasa,
पापड़ अच्छी
the ultimate thing, as Rohit said, chingudi checha.
Without wasting any more time, I think we should begin.
Yeah, we should have
The thing about Odisha Hotel is that Pokhalo with all that jazz in a very glamorized way. So before that, I just roll up my sleeves because you see the number of items that they have given. A little bit of curd and a little bit of lemon and mint, pudina and salt. That's it. Simple. So Shriyanka, this dish, the poda item, Chhattu poda, Chhattu Patru poda, right? Chhattu Patru poda item is only available in the Lewis Road outlet of Odisha Hotel, not in the other branches. So if you want to enjoy and relish on these items, you will have to come to the Lewis Road Ravi Talkies outlet. It's only available here.
body chura is just heavenly.
The chinguri checha is absolutely spot on. So essentially, this dish, Pokhalo, is perfect for summers. So this has a during summers in this hot and humid weather, this Torani acts as very good for your gut. It has D-lactic acid, so it is good for your gut and very healthy during this time of the year. Anything crunchy like bodi chura or your chingudi checha goes really well with pakhada.
Exactly.
A very prominent garlic flavor to this, absolutely amazing.
The fish is also so tender. This is the kokharu pulao.
And this is a delicacy. It's a favorite. It is popular in a lot of regions. This is popular, but the preparation over here is different and makes this very unique over here. This pakhada is a dish across eastern part of India.
Exactly.
In Assam it is known as polta bhata. In Bengal it is known as panta bhat. In Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh I believe it's called pani bhat. In Odisha pakhada bhata. In down south in Tamil Nadu also they call it something. So more or less this weather in this part of the country makes this dish perfect for this weather.
So it's kind of rishta wahi soch nahi.
But it is popularized from Odisha. Pakhada as a dish, its identity, because we celebrate this dish in a manner, and this has become associated with Odisha, and more than any other state.
Even with dahi pakhada we have the dahi bangan.
Try the chattu poda. This goes really well with the pakhada.
With your recommendation, I am trying the chattu poda.
There's a very strong mustard flavor to it.
I was about to say that.
Something that you may like in your pakhada may not be preferred by somebody else. So it changes from family to family. Very versatile preparation, depending on how you want it. As I said, it's a comfort food, it's a soul food. And then you take a nap after having pakhada and the torani.
So it's rohi macho.
Simple bhoja fry. So the protagonist of this platter, pakhada, which is a very simple, humble dish. With all of these sides, they add the glamour to this platter,
Exactly.
and it really complements pakhada very well. They have very contrasting flavors. They have prominent garlicky flavor, crisp crunchiness.
Basically, I'm going to have a rapid fire with you. What would you say pakhada in English?
Water rice,
The best side dish with pakhada?
chingudi checha, without any doubt.
Would you go on a pakhada date?
No,
Why?
I would rather enjoy my pakhada.
Alone, not to share with anyone. In summer, can you think of any dish which wins over pakhada?
Nothing comes to my mind as of now.
So pakhada is the king basically.
Yes. After this, there's going to be a siesta after this fiesta. So, it's really amazing.
Pakhada
Pakhada
khai,
khai,
apana
apana
mane
mane
khushi
khushi
to.
to.
Do comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, we are signing off and keep watching
Odisha Post Live.
Live.